How to overlay in CapCut PC. Hey fellow video editors, today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We are going to explore how to create stunning overlays in CapCut on your PC. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into overlays, make sure you have your main video ready. Open CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Import your main video by clicking import and selecting the file. Now let's add the overlay. Import the overlay file you want to use. This could be an image, video, or any other media you'd like to overlay onto your main video. I want to overlay a video. So first of all, let's drag and drop our main video into the first layer and our overlay video into the second layer. Click on the overlay clip on the timeline to select it. I'll drag it to the end as I want it in the end part. Now let's preview it. I'll remove the background. I'll select the overlay video and then I'll go to cutouts, and from here I'll click on chrome key, then click on color picker and I'll pick a color. Once my color is picked, then I'll adjust its strength and shadow. You can reposition it by clicking and dragging. To enhance the overlay effect, you can experiment with different blend modes like strength and shadow. Now it's time to preview our video to see how the overlay looks. You can make any necessary adjustment like duration, position, blend mode or opacity until you are satisfied. Once your overlay is perfect, it's time to export your video. Click export, choose your setting and hit export again. There you have it. You have learned how to create captivating overlays in CapCut on your PC. Overlay can add depth and creativity to your video, so don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing for more editing tips and tricks. If you have any question or if there's a specific editing technique you'd like us to cover next, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing with CapCut.